Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a cartoon Rhino. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then right after the sketch I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is very easy to draw. We're going to start out with the top of his head first. We're going to draw one little curve coming down. I know it's a little bit strange, but we're just drawing the top of his head. So just curve down, and then right on the bottom right here, just draw his eye. So it's just a little egg shape. And then on the inside here, I'm going to draw another egg shape on the very side, and then I'll just shade that in. So that gives us the eyeball shape. And then now for some extra detail, just on the top and bottom of this eye here, just draw one little curve. So just a little bracket. Okay, so now let's continue on and finish up the rest of his head. So we're going to continue with this line right here. From the very top, just slant down all the way almost to the bottom of his eye. And then once we get to the tip here, we'll just curve it down. Just come up. And then for his mouth right here, just curve toward the eye right here. Just one little curve going up, and we'll stop there. Okay, so then from the mouth right here, let's draw in the bottom. So go back up here. We'll just curve down Alright, so that's gonna give us the overall head shape, and now let's just go ahead and finish up the nostrils. So just come up right here, you make a little point, come across, so it's right over the mouth right here, and then just round it out, just curve it and go back to the little point there. And let me shade it in real quick. Okay, and then right on the back here, just a little bracket. Okay, so now let's finish up the head. So let's come back up here and draw in his ear. So from this point, I curve up, and then just come back down a little bit straighter, and that's gonna give us one of his ear. And then for the other one, we'll start here, and we're gonna draw pretty much the same curve as this, and then just tuck it right behind it. Alright, so now let's draw in his horns, and right around here we'll draw in the big one first. So right on the tip we can make a little point. Just curve up. And then just come back down. Now we're going to draw one more, but it's going to be a little bit smaller. So start here. So again, same thing, just curve up. And then come back down a little bit straighter. Okay, so that's pretty much for the head, and let's add in a little detail up here. Behind the ear, just draw a little curve. On the bottom here as well. Okay, so now let's continue on, and let's draw in one of his legs, and then we'll draw in the back. So I'm going to start right here. Let's draw one curve. And then from this point here, this is going to be the bottom of his foot. Just curve all the way out. Now we're going to come back up about halfway up this. Okay, so it's got a little joint here. And then again, we'll just go up. And then right around here, just going to add one curve going up. Okay, so here's this joint right here. We can add in some lines for the folds. Okay, and then for the nails, very easy, right in the middle here. It's one little curve like this. And then once you have the middle one, for the front and back, just start here and just go out to the sides. Alright, so after his leg right here, let's draw in the top. So just come back up here, just draw one big hump. Okay, so just gonna go past this point here. Alright, so we'll continue on, and we're gonna draw in his tummy first. So right here, just dip down and then go back up. So that's gonna be his tummy, and then now we can draw in his other legs. So start here, again, just curve down right around here. And then same thing here, we'll curve out just like this. Curve up, pretty much the same as that. And then we'll curve and just kind of end it right around there first. And then for his nails again, it's pretty much the same as this. So just one hook, and then for the front and back, just curve out. Okay, so once we have this leg, now let's come back up here and finish up the whole back and the body. So I'm going to start right around here. Just kind of go out, and then I'm going to draw one big curve. And just connect that, and that's going to give us the full body shape. And then for the tail, it's very simple. Let's just start right here. From the point here, just go back into the body. It's a little bit thicker here. And then for the hair right here, this one's easy, just curve. Just add a little angle, and then just kind of round it out. Okay, and if you want to add in a little bit of detail, we can add in some lines here. Alright, so that's pretty much it. And then now for to make it a little bit more three-dimensional, we're going to add in his other leg on the other side. So let's start out on the front. I'm gonna start in the corner here. And this one's gotta be a little bit bent, so we're gonna go out and then just curve it back in right behind the leg. And then right here, we'll add a couple of lines here for the folds. And we should see part of the nail here, so I'm gonna start here. Just draw a little line like that. Alright, and then for the back one, it's gonna be pretty much like this. So I'm gonna start here, curve. Okay, so right around here is a little bit shorter. And then now I'm gonna curve. So whatever space you have, just curve and close everything off. And then right around here, same thing, just one nail. And then on the front. And on the back here, we probably won't see it because it's behind this other leg. And that's it for this Rhino. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.